Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are good at home. Yes, today we are going to see a few guidelines for this PBL activity, that is project based learning activity, and I'm going to tell you what are all the things included in this chapter. A short guideline will be given on this. Yes, before that, warm up of the shapes. This is nothing but the features of the shapes as I said in this PBL PDF, that these are the faces, edges and vertices of the solid shapes. Okay, this you will be saying, or you will be delivering while finishing preparing the given solid shape. Say for example, if you are given a cube as a project, you will be showing us how to do a cube. After finishing the cube, thereby you will be explaining about the cube, about its edges, faces and vertices. Similarly with this cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. Okay, so here for cube it is given a cube has 12 edges, 6 faces and 8 vertices. And cuboid has, similarly the cuboid has got the same number of edges, faces and vertices, but the measurement will be different. Here the cube has got the same measurement towards the edges, whereas in rectangle you get the lengthwise it is different and breadthwise it is different. So these two sides it will be all the same. So this 8 edges will be same, but this four 1 2 3 4 4 edges it will be same, and 8 edges will be same. 8 different edges, these edges flow 4 plus 4 will be the same, and these 4 edges towards the length 4 edges will be the same. So that is cuboid. When it comes for cylinder, it has got 2 edges, 2 flat faces. This one is one flat and down, another flat, top and bottom flat faces, and this one is in between curved face and no vertices all. Yes, only the edges, 2 edges, here one edge and here another edge. This is a cone, where cone is got one edge here, one flat face, this one, and one curved face, and this one is one vertex. Everything is one for cone. Whereas in sphere it is round in shape, it has only one curved face, no edge and no vertex. Okay, this you will be on these 4 only the project is given, that is cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone. These are all the things which you are going to deliver along with the shape given to you. Okay, so now this is net of a cube. What do you mean by net of a cube? A net is a pattern that you can cut and fold to make a model of the shape. So this is the pattern given to you. This is the pattern given to you, that in this pattern you are going to make in a cardboard with all the squares. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 squares of same size. You are going to take, you are going to cut it, and along this stripe, along these edges, no, you are going to fold and make the shape. Okay, so when you fold like this, finally you get a cube. Okay, see this dotted line, this becomes the bottom and this becomes the side, and these all 4 will become side, and this will become the top. So here they have showed you how you are folding it. So like this, if you fold, you get the cube. Okay, yes. These are all the small flaps which we are using to paste the edges. Okay, this is the external adding paper or whatever it is. You can just paste on it and paste along with the shapes to get the cube shape. That you can try it. Then next is cuboid. Here it is different lengthwise and the breadthwise. Length you will have to calculate for 6 centimeter as here they have given. So 6 exactly 6 4 folding should be there, and here it should be 3. So 3, and here it is 2. They've given here 2, and here it should be 2, and here it should be 3. Similarly you can measure, and finally you cut, and when you paste it you get a rectangle like this. So this is the net of a cuboid. Net is a pattern of the cuboid which you can make and cut, which you can cut and we can fold and cut. Okay, you can cut in this model, cut and fold it and paste it to get the cuboid. And the next one is a cylinder. For cylinder you get one this flat face and two circles for it. When you fold it like this, when you fold and just paste over this edge, and when you keep on top and bottom these two circles, these two pads, round pads, you get a cylinder like this. So this is the net of a cylinder. That is a pattern for making a cylinder. And next one is the net of a it's not net of a cube. Yeah, I got it. It is net of a cone. It's net of a cone. So you'll have to make one big circle and cut like this, and just when you bring these cut edges together you get a cone dome shape. And on that, under that, if you keep this round pad, you get a cone, proper particular cone. Okay, this is the net of a cone. Okay, so coming to the exercise, they're asking us to match the pattern, that is the net, to the solid shapes. So this one, yes, this one. And for cube, all the sides equal, so this. And for cuboid, like this. Then for cylinder, this one, two circular face, sorry, two curved face, oh, sorry, one curved face and two flat face. Okay, this, okay. And next is, which of the following nets will fold into a cube, they are asking. You just try to fold and see. So this will become this will become bottom, these two sides, and this is also side. When you just fold this becomes the top and this becomes the next side. Yes, it is correct. So tick. This one also fold this way and this one fold this way. You get this is one side, this is another side, and this becomes this side and this side. Yes, you get it. Try. And this one, if you fold anyway, the shape itself shows you will now won't get it. But this, if you try, this is becomes side and this other side. When you bring it together, that will close up. Yes, you get it. And also this you don't get it, but this you get it. Yes, you try doing, you will get it. Get a piece of paper and try doing like this pattern, you get it. So now these are the shapes given to us. Okay, so here this is the scale given to us. As I said, no, this is the picture where you can form a solid. Here you have 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. Equally you are taking the cubes. So so this is 4 plus 4, 4 this side and 4 this side. and when you put a circle you get equal sides. Similarly, after forming this one, another set of square, and you are naming it A, B, C, D, and another set of square after two set of squares. This third set you are going to start. You are going to leave the two lines this way and this way, and when you are going to form like this, here two lines gone row wise and column wise, two lines you leave, and when you come here and from this center point midpoint you start again four squares, 1 2 3 4 this side and 1 2 3 4 this side, and make a square, join it, you get another set of square. You name it as E F G H, and finally joining this A with E and B with F, D with H and C with G, you get a square. Similarly, you can do for the rectangle also. Here, the only change in the cuboid is there we have taken equally four squares, but here we have taken one square extra towards this length, that is 1 2 3 4 5 this side. Here we have reduced one, there 4 equal, here it is 3 from top to bottom, sidewise it is 5. So 5 and 3 we have taken to make it a rectangle. So when this rectangle, here it is 3 and here it is sorry, here it is 3 and here it is 5. So this forms a rectangle. When you join all the four sides, it is rectangle, and after that leaving the two set of squares this side and this side like before. And when you form another rectangle from with three squares from top to bottom and sidewise five squares, again join the sides, you get another rectangle. So when these two rectangles are joined from P to L and Q to M, S to O and R to N, you get cuboid. Okay, so this PQ or S and LMNO, these two rectangles we join to form a cuboid. Easy, you try it in the exercise given to you. Yes, and the next one is view of solids. So here it is given a Rubik cube is given. In this you can see from top, when you see from top you get this blue, you can see this blue squares, and when you from side wise it is this red, and when you see from this side from front it is orange. The front view is orange, from top it is blue, and side it is red. So these are the three views which we will check out for all the objects, solid objects. Three views we can find. One is from top, one is from another one is from side, and another one is from front. So this one they are giving it clearly. This is top view, this is side view, this is front view. When it is a cube also, you get only the you can see only the squares, all the views with all the views. Yes. Now these are the views of the different views of the house and the chairs given. They are asking us to put T for top view, S for side view, and F for front view. Now tell me, what is this one? This is from top. So I'll put T over here. And this one from front. Okay, so it is F. And this one, naturally we can see it is side. So S. For a house, this is from front. Yes, F. This one side. So S. Then this one from top. So this is T. T. That's all for today, children. Do the exercise on this. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.